Happening today, time to celebrate Memorial Day in the Miami Valley. Today is a day to honor the service of those who died fighting for our country. Rhonda Moore is live at Dayton National Cemetery this morning. She says a lot of events are taking place all over the Miami Valley. Good morning, Rhonda.
Good morning. Well, this is just one place where you can come and pay homage to those who served and died. Now, you can see the graves here. There are 50,000 of them, and each one has an American flag in front of it. Now, at 11 o'clock this morning here at the National Cemetery on the VA grounds, there will be an annual ceremony. In Centerville, the Memorial Day ceremony is at 9 a.m. at Stubbs Park on Spring Valley Road. The Springfield Memorial Day Parade is also at 9 this morning. It starts on the corner of Fountain and High Streets and ends on West 1st Street. The Tipp City Memorial Day Parade starts an hour later at 10 on Main Street. The Miamisburg Memorial Day Parade is downtown and is a chance for the community to celebrate our country's heroes, and that parade starts at 11 a.m. Beavercreek Memorial Day service starts at 2 p.m. and that's at Veterans Park. And in Springboro, the Memorial Day Parade begins at 2 p.m. along South Main Street to Wade Field.
These veterans sacrificed their time and their lives, some of them, to protect us and our families and our freedoms.
So if you're looking for a way to honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice, you see that there are several events to choose from and also at different times. And out here at the VA today, Congressman Mike Turner is expected to be out here. Reporting live in Dayton, Rhonda Moore, ABC 22 News.